Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is apologize. This is a B1 level verb that means to say sorry for something wrong. It's an important word for expressing regret and taking responsibility in various situations. Let's dive into its use in everyday language. Imagine you accidentally bump into someone on the street or forget an important date. In both cases, you might say, "I apologize for that," to show you're acknowledging the mistake. It's a polite way to mend any tension or hurt feelings. You can also use it more formally, like in a business setting. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. Words like say sorry, express regret, or ask forgiveness can be used instead of apologize. For example, instead of I apologize for being late, you could say, I express regret for being late, though this is slightly more formal. Another option is I ask forgiveness for my mistake, which conveys a deeper level of remorse. On the flip side, antonyms include phrases like defend, justify, or deny, which imply not accepting fault. For instance, if someone says, I didn't mean to do it and I won't say sorry, they're choosing to deny the need to apologize. Similarly, I had a good reason for doing it reflects an effort to justify the action rather than take responsibility. In daily life, apologize is a word you can use in both casual and formal conversations. For example, you might say, I apologize for the delay in responding to your email when writing to a colleague. In a more personal situation, you could say, I apologize for forgetting to call you. It's a versatile word that helps maintain good relationships and resolve misunderstandings. Here are some usage examples to help you practice. She had to apologize for interrupting the meeting. We sincerely apologize for any confusion caused by the change in schedule. He refused to apologize, insisting he was in the right. To wrap up, we've explored the word apologize, its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in real-life situations. I hope this inspires you to use it confidently in your conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps more language learners find our show. Before you go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word apologize and share in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Thanks again and see you next time.